tutorial is for animation. To create animation, rotation animation for your GIF image, click window and make sure the timeline is checked. And you need a image for your image rotation. Okay. I draw a circle and the image was rotate. First you need to do is to click the layer 1 for the image and right click duplicate layer. Okay, if you need a name you change it, but I cannot change that. Okay, we have a new layer 1. Click edit and transform, rotate, and you'll see the rectangular on this image. Okay, put the arrow in the side of the rectangle and rotate the image you want to rotate. Then click move tools, apply the transformation, click apply, and to the layer right click again, duplicate again, and click OK, and you have the layer 1 copy 2. Then edit, transform, click transform, rotate, and you will see again rectangle and rotate again. Then click apply. Okay, we have a layer 1 copy 2. Then right click again, duplicate layer, click OK, edit, transform, and rotate, then click and apply transform. Right click again, duplicate layer, click OK, edit, transform, rotate, and rotate the image. And click apply, and we have a layer 1 copy of 4. In the time in the timeline and the layer, click the icon layer copy 4 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, and create duplicate selected frame and click the icon on layer copy 1 and click duplicate selected frame again and click the layer copy 2. Click the duplicate selected frame again and click the layer copy 3 and click the duplicate selected frame again, click layer 1 copy 4. Okay, click play. You will see the rotation of image 3 times. Click once, 3 times, or forever. I will click forever to see the image rotation forever. Okay, this tutorial has finished. You have created an animated rotation image. Okay, thank you for your watching.